Hi, Touch Delay everyone. So today here I am recording Wasur Joksum. Okay, Wa attached letters. So in Tibetan we have 13 Wa attached letter. We call it Wasur because we use only Sur means it's corner. Okay, corner. So we use only corner of the Wa. That's why it's a Wasur. Okay, so Wasur doesn't make any effect on the sound of the main letter, but it helps us to distinguish the meaning. Okay, in Tibetan we have a same letter, but there is a same letter, same sound, and have a different meanings. So that's why it will help us like that. Okay. So first I will read the sound. First one. Ka wasur ka. No change, right? Second one. Ka wasur ka. Ka wasur ka. Nya wasur nya. Ta wasur ta. Za wasur za. Ca wasur ca. Sha wasur okay. Sha wasur sha. Sa wasur sa. Ra wasur ra. La wasur la. Sha wasur sha. Ha wasur ha. So like that. And then wasur didn't make any effect on the sound, right? But it distinguished the meaning. For example, here, so ra, ra, okay? It's the same letter, right? But they have a different meaning. So see, ra without wasur, that means G-O-A-T, God, right? Animal. And then ra wasur ra, that means horn, okay? And then another one, another example, ta without wasur, that means heart, tapo. And another one, ta wasur ta, if there is a wasur, that means salt, okay? And then another example, nya, nya, okay? So nya without wasur, that means fish. And then nya wasur nya, that means curve, the lower part of our legs, right? So that one is called curve with the wasur. And also sometime the wasur help us to recognize the main letters, especially for the new learners. Sometimes it's difficult to distinguish which one is the main letter, which one is the suffix, which one is second suffix. So for example here, ta, wasu, ta, nga, sa, tang. So wasu is an attached letter. So attached letter and head letters vowels always come with main letter, not with the prefix, not with the suffix, and not with the second suffix. So wherever there's a attached letter, that is the main letter. So sometimes it can help us to recognize, oh, that is the main letter. Okay, thank you everyone. So see you in next video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel